In this forest, the air is alive with the melodies of rare birds, each note a whisper of nature's secrets. The vibrant call of the scarlet tanager pierces through the trees, its crimson feathers a flash of color against the green. Nearby, the haunting song of the wood thrush echoes, a reminder of the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Listen closely, and you might catch the elusive call of the cerulean warbler, a treasure hidden among the branches. These birds are not just beautiful, they play vital roles in pollination and pest control. Every sound tells a story, weaving a rich tapestry of life that connects us all.